Uh-oh, she's got your dress. There you go. She must play tug of war with your dress. Edison, somebody's behind you. Somebody's behind you. Oh, that's Hope. Can you set her around in front of you? Here she comes. She wants to go exploring, I guess. Who you have? Oh, you have Holly over there now. That's Holly.
Who is this, Grandma?
Well, we call her Hattie. I'm not sure what they're going to call her, but we call her Hattie.
No. I really miss Sophie.
Ow! Yeah, Sophie might come back for another visit. I don't know.
I don't think Sophie changed.
You don't think she changed?
No.
I'll bet she's bigger.
Yeah, I bet she's really big. Like maybe the size as Jojo, maybe?
I think so.
I really miss Sophie.
I know.
Like Sophia the first. Sophie. Sophie. I really miss really Sophie. Why aren't you?
Does she remind you of Sophie?
Yeah.
Yeah, she looks a lot like Sophie did.
Yeah. Yeah. I wish this one is. See, this puppy loves me.
Yes, she does. I think, I'm not sure who that is that you have there. Might be. Might be Holly. I can't tell till I see their faces. Could be Hope. Yeah, that's Hallie. Just came up from the... Oh, who's back there, Edison?
Who's this? Hope?
I can't tell unless I see their face. If you can hold her. So she looks at me.
There's the brown
Yep,
one.
that's
Here's the
that's
browner
Hope.
one.
No, the browner one's right there. That's Heather, right, trying to chew on your toes. Oh my gosh.
This one is Heather.
Yeah,
This one loves me too.
she does.